Hello everyone, today in this video we'll be discussing about public, private and protected variables. So public variables can be denoted like this directly, like you can directly name something like name, phone number like this, whereas protected variables will be prefixed with one underscore and private variables will be prefixed with two underscores. So the difference between public, private and protected are, so in public we can access them within the class or even outside the class or anywhere we can access public means, whereas private comes to, like in private only we can access within this person class only, we can't use these outside the person class. And when it comes to protected, we can access them within this class and also in its subclasses, that is in its children. So apart from these two, in other ways we can't use. Okay, but Python allows us to use anywhere this underscore, these protected values also, but it is not the convention to use like that. So it's up to you whether we'll use like that or not, but it is against the object oriented principles. Okay, so basically in Python, if we wanted to write some protected variables, we'll be writing like these and we'll be using them. Okay, so let's see, let's execute this. If we execute this, so in these employees details we are using this underscore Aadhaar and it is not giving us any error because it is a protected variable and it can be accessed in the subclass as well. Whereas let's try to access this bank balance within the subclass, then it will be giving rise to error. Why is that? Because it is a private variable. Whichever variables which are prefixed by two underscores, those are private variables, and private variables can be accessed only within this class. We can't access them outside this class. That's why it is giving us error. And when it comes to protected variables, like we can access them like this, like in Python we can access them, whereas when it comes to either C or C++, we can't access these protected variables like this. But in case of Python we can access even outside the class, but it is not recommended to use like this because it is like we are neglecting the principles of object oriented programming if we are using like this. Okay, so they didn't put any restrictions on this. It is recommended to use them as, like, call them with some getters or setters. Getters or setters are the functions which are used to get these private and public variables. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you.